Ever wondered why React has become such a vital tool in web development? This powerhouse library is changing the game, turning complex tasks into simple ones. We're about to dive into its wide-ranging uses and promising future. Stay tuned to find out why developers are going gaga over React. React, a JavaScript library, has several compelling use cases that make it a favorite among developers. One of the most common is building single-page applications. These are websites that load a single HTML page and dynamically update as the user interacts with the app. React is a powerhouse when it comes to this. Another use case is the creation of mobile applications. Thanks to React Native, a framework stemming from React, developers can build native mobile apps using only JavaScript. React also shines in its ability to create reusable components. This means that once a component is built, it can be used multiple times throughout the application, saving valuable time and effort. Furthermore, React simplifies complex user interfaces. It breaks down the UI into individual components, making it easier to manage. This, coupled with its virtual DOM, allows for faster rendering, enhancing performance and ultimately improving user experience. Clearly, React's versatility makes it a go-to tool for web developers. So, what does the future hold for React? As the popularity of React continues to soar, it's clear that this powerful library has become a developer favorite worldwide. With its potential for further innovation, React is poised to redefine the boundaries of web development. This is due in no small part to the robust community of developers who continue to support and enrich React's capabilities. React's future seems bright, promising a continued evolution and an even more streamlined web development experience. In the realm of web development, React is a powerhouse. With its dynamic uses and promising future, React's significance in modern web development cannot be overstated. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or a novice, mastering React could be a game changer for your web development journey. Until next time, keep coding.